Aberdeen, Scotland's third largest city, the oil capital of Europe, and possibly the seagull capital of Scotland. A bustling harbour, and seagulls eating rubbish. If it weren't for the seagulls, would our streets be paved with rubbish? Fred and Ginger have been coming to this shop for 2 years. They bring their offspring. Are they proud? Or are they a menace? Are they harmless or more aggressive in their fight for food? As their numbers grow, their need for food grows. So seagulls, menace or a useful garbage collector?